In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy tasks in Wrike. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can streamline your workflow, and knowing how to duplicate tasks efficiently can save you a lot of time. Let's dive right in. To start with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Wrike into the search bar and hit enter. You should see Wrike's official website pop up in the search results. Click on it to proceed to the homepage. Next up, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. If you haven't set one up yet, you can easily create an account by selecting the Try Wrike for Free option. Once logged in, navigate to where your tasks are located by opening the relevant folder, project, or space. This is where you'll find the task you want to duplicate. For an easier time managing and interacting with these tasks, switch the view to Table View. This will give you a grid-like overview, which can be particularly handy for bulk actions and multitask management. When you locate the task you'd like to copy, right-click on it. Alternatively, you can click the three-dot menu located next to the task. A list of options will appear, and from this list, select Duplicate. You'll notice a pop-up window appears on your screen. This is where you can make several customizations to your duplicated task. Let's explore some of these options. You'll have the chance to change the task name, which is great if you need a slight variation from the original or to add a prefix to organize tasks more systematically. You can also select the location where this new task will reside within your project structure. Personalizing what content gets copied over is simple. Just make your choices within this pop-up to customize it to your specific needs. Once you've tweaked the settings to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on the Duplicate button. This action will create the new task, applying all your customizations. It's as easy as that. Here's a handy tip. If you're in the middle of a session and anticipate needing to copy more tasks, you can check the Add Another box optionally. This will allow you to duplicate additional tasks without closing the pop-up window each time, thereby making your workflow that much more efficient. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide on duplicating tasks in Wrike. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to manage and replicate tasks effortlessly, ensuring your project management is as productive as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.